This is just going to be a basic run through of a typical laptop repair. Today we've got a HP Pavilion DV2000 laptop, which when we power on, you can see the lights are coming on, but there will be nothing on the screen. Now this is because of a fault with the graphics card, and what we need to do is we need to reseat the graphics card by redoing the solder joints. First steps first is to take it all apart. This is me removing the keyboard now. The screws have been undone on the underside. The ribbon on the back as well. Okay, so the system board has been taken out and the culprit is this chip right here. What we're going to do is we're going to have to resolder this chip by using a heat gun at 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I've now prepared the device with some thermal insulation so that we can heat it up. This will now be subjected to 300 degrees Celsius in order to melt the solder and redo the joints. Okay, so now we're just going to run a quick test before we put it all together to make sure that everything's working as we want it to. And there you go, HP screen. Finally, with everything put back, we're going to do a final test run to see if everything works. Just let it boot up now. As you can see, the screen is now working. And there you can see Windows starting up. Thank you for watching.